everyone, Michael the Mechanical here, and as horrible as this video may be, it's the best way I'm going to be able to do this video, because I did try a couple of different things with my camera to start it up. Oh, well there we go, it's going to turn off again straight away, isn't it? Yeah, so if I open it up, let's see what happens. Does it turn off straight away? In battery level low, exchange battery. This is the problem that I'm having with my camera, and yet the battery is perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. So to keep it going, I have to put it on charge and keep the cable connected, and when the cables are loose, they fall apart. So it just feels like this was the easiest way to get things working, even though it wasn't. I'm not sure about the quality of the video, if the audio is going to be recorded or whatnot, so I should really just do a test. I'm pretty sure that it's recording this microphone right here, and it's pretty clear. And I feel like, in a way, there's an advantage to this video, and that's that we're going to hear a lot better audio quality from the video. So I'm calling up the repairer about my car to find out what's up with it and see when I can pick it up, essentially, because I owe them about $900 from what I'm aware. And I was told last week to call them Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, and maybe we'll get an update on what's up with the car. The contact is Amy, and that's who we'll be talking to about, hey, where's the car at? And I'm also going to try and see if I can point out, hey, we need the car soon, because we're going to be doing some cleaning up. You know, and I want to kind of find out if there's any issues that they're running into with it, other than them having problems with other cars. They've had the car for a month, and it seems like it's a time where you got to make a mark and say, look, it's been there a month now, or pretty much almost a month. What can we do? And they did tell me beforehand that they were pretty busy anyway, flat out. But it seems like they've gotten new jobs in that are probably of more benefit to them, viability-wise, and some other things. And that this isn't normally a job they do very often, and they do work with injection systems and stuff all the time. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I feel like I need a drink, and feel a bit gross that way, but I need the car soon, so we'll see what happens. Okay, contact.
Hello, Diesel.
Hello, this is Michael Gackle. I was wondering if Amy was available. She said to call Wednesday.
Okay, she's just popped out. She'll be back in about half an hour if you want to call back then.
Okay, yep, sure, that's okay. Cool, thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Bye. Yep, so nothing. Okay, well, we can do a better video next time, maybe.